What are state franchise registration requirements? If you are curious about what it takes to register a franchise in different states, you are in the right spot. Let's break down the essential requirements that franchisors must meet to operate legally in various states. State franchise registration requirements are rules that franchisors must follow to legally offer and sell franchises. These rules are designed to protect potential franchisees by ensuring they receive accurate information about the franchise opportunity. In states classified as franchise registration states, franchisors must submit their franchise disclosure document to a state regulatory agency for review before selling franchises. The franchise disclosure document is a detailed document that provides key information about the franchise system. This includes business background, fees, financial performance, litigation history, and other important facts. The process usually involves several core steps. First, franchisors need to submit the franchise disclosure document to the state's franchise examiner or regulatory body for a thorough review. Next, they must pay registration fees, which can vary significantly from one state to another. Franchisors also need to complete state-specific application forms that detail their business structure and legal history. Providing financial statements is another requirement, and these are often audited by an independent certified public accountant. After submission, franchisors may need to respond to any requests from the state for revisions or additional disclosures before they receive approval. Some states, like California, New York, and Illinois, requiring full franchise registration. In these states, franchisors must obtain approval of their franchise disclosure document before offering or selling franchises. Other states, such as Connecticut and Maine, have conditional registration requirements. Here, registration is only necessary if the franchisor's principal trademarks are not registered with the United States Patent and Trademark Office. There are also franchise filing states, where franchisors must file their franchise disclosure document and pay a fee but do not need state approval to sell franchises. Examples of these states include Florida and Kentucky. Lastly, there are non-registration states, which requiring franchisors to provide the franchise disclosure document to franchisees but do not, requiring state-level filing or approval. The franchise registration process generally takes between 45 and 90 days, but this can vary depending on the state's workload and the time of year. Understanding these state franchise registration requirements is essential for anyone interested in franchise ownership. They affect how and when franchises can be offered and sold. Franchisees benefit from these requirements as they ensure access to comprehensive, state-reviewed disclosure documents. This helps them evaluate the risks and benefits of a franchise opportunity. Franchisors must navigate these requirements carefully to maintain compliance and avoid any legal issues that could delay or prevent franchise sales. Being aware of the specific requirements in each state is key to a successful franchise operation.